ready to supercharge your blog's reach and connect with a whole new audience. Let's dive into creating your Medium account. First, head over to Medium.com. You'll see a welcoming homepage. Look for the Get Started button, usually found in the top right corner if you already have an account with Google, Apple, or an email address. You can use those options for a quick sign-up. Alternatively, if you prefer to create a new account using just your email, click on the Sign Up with Email option, enter your email address, and follow the on-screen prompts. Medium will send you a confirmation link to your inbox, so be sure to check that and click it to verify your account. Once your email is verified, you'll be taken back to Medium to complete your profile. This is your chance to make a great first impression. Upload a clear profile picture, write a concise bio that tells readers who you are and what you write about, and link to your existing blog or website. Now that your account is set up, you can start sharing your valuable content. You can cross-post your existing blog articles to Medium to expose them to a wider audience, or create brand new pieces specifically for the platform. Think of Medium as another powerful avenue to get your voice heard and build your online presence. When you publish on Medium, you're not just posting an article. You're joining a community. Engage with your readers in the comments section, read and respond to other bloggers' stories, and follow topics that interest you. This interaction is key to growing your visibility and establishing yourself as a thought leader in your niche. So, creating a Medium account is a fantastic step for any blogger looking to expand their reach, connect with new readers, and ultimately, grow their entire online footprint. Give it a try and see where it takes your blogging journey.